Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 173 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, and we read all the questions and the answers, and we put the cool, the funny, the miss here for you, so you don't have to read 1,000 questions. On today's episode, we're talking about my 12-year-old is considered an adult? Where do I find the Cpap machine paperwork? I paid for my cruise with a gift card, but the cruise got canceled. Carnival's doing singles cruises now? And is the muster process the same in Dover?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wants to know why their 12-year-old daughter is considered an adult for the Dr. Suess breakfast, but is considered a child everywhere else on the ship. John said they do have different categories of children within the various children's teen camps on board. And this is the same for that particular event. Wasn't really clear on that answer, but maybe it's about food consumption. Maybe they want younger kids to go there. I don't have the answer. John was a little vague on that. And us personally, we've never done the Dr. Suess breakfast. I don't know if I ever will. Liz might want to. I don't know, but probably not me. Question two. This cruiser has a Cpap machine, and the Facebook group that is run by a TA said you have to fill out the paperwork for having this and call the cruise ahead of time to get it approved. This cruiser's looked everywhere on Carnival's website and can't find the paperwork for the Cpap machine. John said you can tell this particular moderator, TA, whatever they are wrong, completely wrong. You do not need to fill out any paperwork to bring your Cpap machine on board. That's simple. Carry it separately. Obviously, do not put it in your checked luggage. Most of them have a cute little carrying case and everything. So yeah, we bring it on separately. Question three. This cruiser noticed that cruises are canceling for different reasons, and what if they chose not to rebook that particular cruise, but they paid with a gift card? He knows he can get the money back, but how do you get the money back? John said they will send you new gift cards worth the value of the refund or money owed, and that's done within 2 weeks or 2 business weeks, 10 working days. So it's not going to be an instant one. They will send you a physical card. So if you like booking your cruises with gift cards and it cancels, you'll get a gift card back. That easy. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question four. This cruiser heard that Carnival is now offering singles cruises, and they wanted to know, is this true? John said, no, that's not correct, and he's not sure where you heard this. So people do charter out entire cruise ships. Maybe somebody chartered a singles-only cruise ship, and maybe that's where they heard it. But for Carnival actually doing a singles-only cruise, John said, no, they are not. Last question. This cruiser wanted to know if the muster process is the same out of Dover as they are cruising out of that port soon. John said, yes, it's the same. You go to your muster station, check in, they'll show you a little quick how to put on your life vest, which on the cruise we're on now, they don't even do that. It's on the TV now. They scan you, they ask you if you want to see a demonstration, you say no, you go right back to your room and you can watch the video in there. The full muster process is such a pain in the butt. It is not even funny. So I am all thumbs up for the digital muster process. That's been episode 173 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.